Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus GX460 key battery. This simple process can be done at home with just a few common tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, a new CR2032 battery, and a soft cloth to protect your key fob. Let's get started by preparing your workspace and ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth replacement. Now that you have your tools, let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your fob. Slide this button and pull out the physical emergency key. Next, find the small notch where the emergency key was removed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch and gently twist to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Observe how it is seated, noting which side is facing up. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry the old battery out of its compartment. Be gentle to avoid bending the metal contacts. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely reassembled. Don't forget to slide the physical emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Lexus GX460. You should now have a fully functional key fob with a fresh battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.